All right, today we're going to take a sneak peek at a new product from Oracle Lighting. We've been really impressed with the new Ford Bronco so far, but one place we feel like Ford maybe missed the mark a little bit is the cargo area. There's really no usable lighting back here. If you're going camping, you need to get to your gear or set up your campsite outside the back of the vehicle, there's really no light from the factory to really illuminate any of these areas. So Oracle's got a solution to that problem, our new cargo LED light module. This is a pretty cool product that is an entire housing that replaces the factory windshield wiper motor cover on the back and installs with 2 screws. And then for the wiring, you simply plug it in to the 12-volt adapter here in the cargo area. So wiring super simple, installation super simple, and it gives you a massive amount of light in the cargo area as well as behind the vehicle. So compared to just the factory lighting alone, you get a lot more visible light. You can access your gear and see everything. So it's a really good functional product. So we're gonna have more information about this and some other really innovative Ford Bronco products coming from Oracle Lighting in the near future. So be sure to give us a follow.